Set the stop loss at the Supertrend line. Then set the take profit 2 times above the stop loss. Time to see the results from this trade. This trade is profitable. Hey traders, welcome to the HyperTrade YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you the best and very profitable trading strategy. This time I will use the Supertrend with Stochastic RSI combination so our trades are highly profitable. This strategy can work with any kind of market, such as Forex, stocks, cryptocurrency, and gold. The optimal time frame is 5 minutes, but you can use other day trading time frames up to 1 hour. This strategy will be easy to learn, so anyone can start trading after learning this. Please watch this video until the end so we can see how much profit we can make. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the HyperTrade YouTube channel so you don't miss out the upcoming trading videos from HyperTrade. In this strategy, we will need 2 technical indicators. The first indicator is Supertrend with default settings. The second indicator is Stochastic RSI with default settings. If you use TradingView, please follow me to configure the indicators. Our first indicator is Supertrend. Find this indicator in TradingView by typing Supertrend, then add this indicator into the chart. For this indicator, we will use the default settings, so we don't need to change anything. Our second indicator is Stochastic RSI. Search for this indicator in TradingView by typing Stochastic RSI, then add this indicator into the chart. For this indicator, we will use the default settings, so we don't need to change anything. This is how our chart looks like after setting up all the indicators. If you missed something, please go back to the indicators section in the description. As you can see, our chart now has 2 indicators. First, red and green lines here are the Supertrend indicator. This will be our main trend indicator. If the price is above Supertrend, that means the market is in uptrend. But if the price is below them, that means the market is downtrend. Our other indicator is Stochastic RSI. You can see at the bottom of your chart. This indicator will be our main entry signal. If the 2 lines here are crossing each other, that means the price will either go up or down. Please watch until the end to further understand how this works. Let's get into our first buy example. Our buy conditions are simple. First, the Stochastic RSI 2 lines must cross over. Second, the Stochastic RSI crossover must happen below the blue area. Finally, the price must above Supertrend. For the money management, in this strategy we will need to set the stop loss at the Supertrend line. And for the take profit, we need to set it 2 times the stop loss. This is our first example buy trade. As we can see in our screen, the Stochastic RSI just crossed over here. Then the crossover happened below the blue area. Then the price is above Supertrend. All of our buy conditions have met. It's time to prepare our buy trade here. Set the stop loss at the Supertrend line. Then set the take profit 2 times above the stop loss. Time to see the results from this trade. This trade is profitable. As we can see, this strategy makes profit for the first time. But that's not enough to prove the profitability of this strategy. Because of that, this video will show you more trades. There are still more buy trade examples, along with short trade examples. Please keep watching until the end to see how much profits we can make. Enough with that, let's get into our next buy trade. This time we have our second buy trade entry. As we can see in our screen, the Stochastic RSI just crossed over here. Then the crossover happened below the blue area. Then the price is above Supertrend. It's our time to enter a long trade again. Set your stop loss at the Supertrend line. Then set the take profit 2 times above the stop loss. Let's find out the results. This trade turned out to be profitable. What an amazing strategy. We just found a very profitable strategy. But so far we have only tested against the buy trades. In the real market there, short selling may improve the profitability of this strategy. Because of that, we have prepared the example short trades. Let's move into example short trades. This will be our first short trade example. Our conditions is actually a reversed version of our buy conditions. First, the Stochastic RSI 2 lines must cross under. Second, the stochastic RSI crossover must happen above the blue area. Finally, the price must below supertrend. Will be our first example short trade. As we can see in our screen, the stochastic RSI just crossed there. Then the cross happened above the blue area. Then the price is below supertrend. We should prepare our short trade here. Set the stop loss at the supertrend line. Then set the take profit 2 times below the stop loss. So, it's time to see how this trade performs. It turned out to be a profitable trade. Our first short trade is profitable, but that's not enough. We have one more trade to make sure this strategy is profitable. Let's get into our next short trade. We have our second short trade here. As we can see, the stochastic RSI just crossed there. Then the cross happened above the blue area. Then the price is below supertrend. It's our time to enter a short trade again. Set your stop loss at the supertrend line and set the take profit 2 times below the stop loss. Let's find out the results. This trade ended up being profitable. What an amazing strategy! We've just discovered a very profitable strategy for day trading in all markets. However, traders should not rely just on these results. That's because we've only tested this strategy with a little amount of trades. It is a good idea to backtest the strategy with historical market data. Backtesting usually takes around 100 trades to be completed. In the backtesting phase, tweak the strategy and the settings until you find the best results. After backtesting is done, traders can do a paper trading. Paper trading is a trading simulation where traders can practice buying and selling without risking any real money. That means if the trade is a winner, it does not give you money. But if the trade loses, you don't lose any money. There's a lot to talk about trading strategies and how to optimize them. If you're interested for more strategies, consider subscribing to the Hyper Trade YouTube channel. Stay tuned for our next video and thanks for watching.